Hello everyone. Today this video is about the interview process for Amazon ERC Senior Associate. So before joining Amazon, whatever mails I have received, so I'll be mentioning in this video. First mail I have received for the application details to fill out the application form. I have filled it, and on 16th February I received the interview's timing and date for the operations round. I have attended the operations round on 17th February. After this, after 4 days, on 21st of February, I have received the selection mail from Amazon. In this, they have mentioned the joining date and also they have mentioned the package. They also mentioned that in 24 hours, we have to reply to this mail if we are interested in this role. On 23rd of February, I received another mail from background verification stating that whatever the document should be uploaded, they will be mentioning in this. It is from FADV. After a few hours, I received another mail from the background check to upload the documents, to log in and upload the documents. So I have done on 23rd of February. On 24th of February, Amazon sent a mail how to prepare for the first day. So those details they have mentioned in this mail. And for the IT equipments, they asked the address to which the IT should be delivered. And also they asked to upload a badge photo. I have done it on 24th of February itself. So after all, on 1st March, I have received the IT equipments, the laptop, charger, keyboard, mouse, headsets, etc. On March 1st, they have sent another mail to upload the Aadhaar online. So I have uploaded that also. And same day, on March 1st only, they have sent another mail stating that your first day is approaching, so be ready for this. So whatever necessary details they have provided in this mail. On March 2, they have sent another mail to review the documents and electronically sign. I have done that. After all this, on March 5th, they have sent the joining date and timings. Previously they have sent only the joining date, right? So now they send the joining date and also the joining timings. That is for March 7th. So this is about the interview process for Amazon ERC Senior Associate. Thank you.